Shall we move to the next scope? Now look at the fourth type of scope, that is built-in scope. Only functions or modules come along with the software as packages. That means in C++ we have written header files. Do you remember that? Hash include iostream.h, hash include cmath.h. The cmath.h is a library function. It is a header file. So before all the statement of the program is to be written, we have include the library function. We call the library function. It is called module in Python. Is it clear? So hash include iostream.h is a header file. We have to write first. We have to call the library function first. Then only we can write the program. So the beginning of the first header file is known as built-in scope. So if we want to use math functions like that, sine, cos, power, these are some examples of math functions. If you want to use math functions in your program, we have to call a mathematical function, library function in the beginning of the program. That is known as built-in scope. So now look at the example. There are 3 boxes. The innermost box is local scope. After the innermost box, there is a box. It is known as enclosed scope. The outermost box is called global scope. So can you identify what are the variables given in that program? The outermost function, there is no variable declared. It just have disp function alone. It is given in the last. Next, the enclosed scope. After the innermost function, there is a box. It is known as enclosed scope. In that scope, there is a declaration of function, that is disp parenthesis. After that, under the innermost box, there is disp1 parenthesis and print a. So print a, value of a, there is no value of a given in that enclosed scope. It goes to the inner scope, that is local scope. Disp1 print a. So in this program there is no value for the a. So just look at the header file alone. So this is an example for just built-in function. We need not to worry about the value of a because local scope, enclosed scope and global scope have a value. If there is a value, it prints the value. If there is no value, we have to give value at the runtime. Is it clear? In the library function, there is a module that is called built-in scope. It doesn't print any special value. It checks the library if we use any functions declared in the program. So that is known as built-in scope. Is it clear? Okay, thank you. Now look at this example. This example includes all type of scopes. In this example, the first statement is x is equal to 20. This x is given before all the statements, so it is called global scope. After that, this function is declared. In this function, there are statement a is equal to 5. That is enclosed scope. A is enclosed scope. In display function, there is one more function is known as add. So it is a inner function. Display is the outer function. Add is the inner function, that is local scope. In this add function, there are three variables given. B is equal to 2, C is equal to 8, D is equal to B plus C. Then print D. These four statements are given in the inner block. The lines I have drawn to know what are the blocks. The inner block has four statements. How do we know the block in Python program? Through the spaces given, we can identify they are blocks. So B is equal to 2, C equal to 8, D equal to B plus C, print D. These four statements given with spaces in add function. So this is corresponding to the add function block. The add function is finished. How do we know? There is no space in print A. So print A is for display function. So print A corresponding to the function display. I have drawn a line. Just look at it. So print A is a enclosed scope. There is a value for A 5. And then print X. There is no space. So it is corresponding to a global scope. Look at the lines. You can identify the block. If there is a space, we have to know it is a block. Again, if we give a space, there is inner block. The add function statements are inner block. A equal to 5, add function and print A. These statements are for display function. It is the outer function. X equal to 20, display function and print X. These are outermost block. They are given in the margin. So through the spaces, we can identify the blocks. I hope you all understand. Now, can you say the output for this program? So where are the print statement included? That only will be the output for the program. First, go to the innermost block. What is the innermost block? Is there any print statement? Yes. In the innermost block, there is one print statement. It has to be print the value for D. Now, what is the value for D? B plus C is equal to 10. So, the value for D is 10. That will be printed first. After, is there any print statement in a outer block? Yes. There is a print statement in outer block, that is enclosed scope. Print A. So, what is the value for A? A is equal to 10. So, 10 will be printed. So, go to the outermost block. Is there any print statement? Yes. Print X. So, what is the value for given for X? 20 is given to X. So, 20 will be printed. So, now verify the output. So, this is the output for the previous program. Thank you.